Here is a list of 3 file names. Now the files with extensions PNG and JPEG are valid and BMP is not. I loop through the files and check if the extension is valid. I check for the PNG and I check for the JPEG. Now when I execute the code, this will work. As you see, the PNG and the JPEG are valid and the BMP was not. The problem is what happens when I have to add more files here. For example, I add a JPEG with an E in it. This one should also be valid. Well, you know what needs to happen. I need another OR here. But I don't want to do that. I want to make this more flexible. Now I just found out that the string endswith method also supports a tuple. Watch this. Let me turn this comment into actual code. I can pass the tuple and check for all the extensions. Let me test that. Yep, that works as well. I hope this helped you.